Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into an age-old philosophy to help navigate one of life's most challenging experiences, rejection. Whether it be in romantic relationships, friendships, or professional endeavors, rejection is a universal and often painful experience. But what if there was a way to transform this pain into strength and resilience? In this video, we'll explore how the ancient wisdom of Stoicism offers practical tools to handle rejection with grace and composure. But before starting this content, I would like to ask you to click the like button. It really helps me and helps to spread this powerful information all around the world. And if you are not subscribed yet, consider it. There is a lot of content as interesting as this one here. Check it out, all videos, and you will understand. Now let's get back to today's content. In our previous videos, Embracing Mindfulness, a Stoic guide to living happier, and the Stoic method to prevent disappointment, we delved into key Stoic practices that foster inner peace and prepare the mind for life's uncertainties. But today we'll build upon these concepts and focus specifically on handling rejection. So be prepared for the content to come, as it is full of knowledge for your life. Stoicism, a philosophy founded in the early 3rd century BC, was practiced and refined by some of the greatest minds in history, including Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca. These Stoic philosophers taught that we cannot control external events, but we can control our responses to them. This principle is especially relevant when dealing with rejection. Rejection, in any form, can evoke a deep emotional response. It can challenge our self-worth and shake our confidence. However, Stoicism teaches us to reframe our perspective on rejection. According to Marcus Aurelius, reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. This profound insight reminds us that it is our perception of rejection that causes suffering, not the rejection itself. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, emphasizes that our judgments about events, rather than the events themselves, are the true source of our distress. By recognizing that rejection is merely an external event, we can choose to interpret it in a way that empowers rather than diminishes us. Let's explore some practical Stoic techniques to handle rejection. Epictetus, another revered Stoic philosopher, offers a valuable guidance in his Enchiridion. He teaches us to differentiate between what is within our control and what is not. When faced with rejection, we must accept that the actions and opinions of others are beyond our control. What we can control, however, is our response. Epictetus advises, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." By focusing on our reactions and maintaining our composure, we can preserve our inner tranquility even in the face of rejection. Journaling is another powerful Stoic practice. Reflecting on your experiences and emotions can help you process rejection constructively. Seneca, in his letters, often spoke of the importance of self-reflection. By writing down your thoughts, you gain clarity and perspective, allowing you to respond to rejection with reason rather than emotion. Building resilience is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Seneca, in his Letters to Lucilius, emphasizes the importance of mental fortitude. He writes, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Rejection, therefore, is an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. By viewing rejection as a challenge rather than a setback, we can develop greater resilience. This shift in perspective allows us to learn from the experience and emerge stronger. In our video on the Stoic method to prevent disappointment, we discussed the practice of premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. By mentally preparing for potential rejection, we can reduce its impact on our emotional state. Visualizing possible scenarios of rejection equips us to handle them calmly when they occur. Now let's apply these Stoic principles to various forms of rejection. In romantic relationships, rejection can be particularly painful. Marcus Aurelius advises us to remember the transient nature of human relationships. He writes, "Think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now, take what's left and live it properly." By embracing the impermanence of life, we can appreciate relationships for what they are and move on gracefully when they end. When it comes to friendships, Epictetus reminds us that true friendship is based on virtue and mutual respect. If a friendship ends in rejection, it may be a reflection of a mismatch in values rather than a personal failing. By accepting this, we can release any resentment and remain open to forming new, meaningful connections. In the professional realm, rejection is often experienced through job applications, project proposals, or workplace dynamics. Seneca's advice is to focus on what we can improve and let go of what we cannot control. He states, "He who is brave is free." By embodying courage and persistence, we can navigate professional rejection as an opportunity for growth and refinement. In conclusion, the Stoic philosophy offers profound insights and practical tools to handle rejection in all areas of life. By shifting our perspective, focusing on what we can control, and embracing resilience, we can transform the experience of rejection into a catalyst for personal growth. Remember, it is not the rejection itself, but our response to it that defines our character and shapes our future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out our previous videos, Embracing Mindfulness, a Stoic Guide to Living Happier, and the Stoic Method to Prevent Disappointment, for more Stoic wisdom. Until next time, stay resilient and keep growing.